Welcome, AI Explorers, back to Tingenuity AI for another Midjourney Monday. If you started off the new year with some goals about dieting and food, we have just the thing for you, right? We have some food photography, Warren, that we're going to show our visitors and viewers. Take it away.
Yep. It's going to be fantastic. This stems off of a project that I was helping my wife with over the weekend. She had received a bunch of recipes from coworkers, and they wanted her to put together a cookbook. And of course, as a designer, she asked me to help with that process. They had provided several photos, but many did not. And so this is where Midjourney came in. And one of the things that I love about Midjourney is that it does fantastic food photography. Even back in older versions, it was very good at doing this, and it has improved so much to the point where I just fed it some ingredients, and it created really good pictures. So we're going to start with one of the recipes that my wife has. And this recipe is called frog eye salad. It is not made out of frog eyes, but it has a pasta in it that's these tiny little balls, and they're pretty tasty when mixed in this particular manner. So I'm telling it, I give it a simple description of what I'm looking for: a dessert salad. Okay, so it knows this is going to be a dessert, something sweet, made with Acini de pepe, which is the pasta, pineapple chunks, crushed pineapple, mandarin oranges, mixed in with a lot of whipped topping, mini marshmallows, flaked coconut and this is where I give it some description, so it has that nice homely look and feel on a comfortable home kitchen counter. Let's put a counter. Tight depth of field, high wide angle, so it gives it a little angle to that food. And then we say food photography because we want that look and feel. We want to see if it will do some positioning of the subject to the right side of the image, and then we give it some camera designations. So here we go. We're going to see what this produces. Now, my brother Jacob has some recipes that he's concocted, and so he's going to put those in as well.
I don't know that I'd go so far as to call them recipes. No, it's just Midjourney does such an amazing job of creating food photography. And one of the things we noticed right off the bat, which I think is fascinating, is that Warren's prompt here doesn't say, I want this kind of dish. It just lists some ingredients. And Midjourney, we've noticed, has a way of putting all the ingredients in. And so I kind of wanted to see how Midjourney does if I just give it the most random ingredients in the world. And so here we have a dish made with jalapeno peppers, jello, ice cream, bacon, candy, mashed potatoes, beans, frosting, and cake. And so we will see what Midjourney creates and how appetizing it can make it look with these instructions. So I'm already liking what you've got there. That's pretty awesome.
All right, so here's our dessert dish. Now, interestingly enough, we look at that prompt, and I told it to put it on the right side, and one of them complied, the bottom left. It did an odd type of pasta, more like egg noodles on that bottom left, but some of the others are a little more complacent with what that type of pasta is. But it obviously really got in with the marshmallows, and it does a nice kind of layout or composition of the pineapple chunks, the mandarin oranges, and those kind of things, and has the whipped topping in there. Now, it's not going to get it that first time, or maybe it will, but you tinker with it and you'll get something really good. Okay, now we've got
you
Jacob.
Should jump on over, man.
Oh my gosh!
This is my jalapeno bacon ice cream dish with mashed potatoes. It's a delicacy that they eat in Candyland. I mean, I can only assume.
But I love the bottom right is fantastic. It's got the kind of red kidney beans lying around it.
Yeah, it's good, right?
Yeah. But I love how it's laid out the slices of jalapeno on the top right one. That one's fantastic, with the sprinkles and the bacon scattered around.
Sprinkles and bacon. All right, why don't you do one more recipe and I'll do one more recipe, bro.
So this was a drink that was in the cookbook that my wife wanted me to help create. An autumn margarita made with tequila, orange liqueur, apple cider, pear juice, accented with a lime and 2 cinnamon sticks. Now, I gave it the lime and 2 cinnamon sticks to give it that, drink look with the umbrella. and then added on a countertop in a modern home kitchen. Tight depth of field, high wide angle food photography, and then of course the specifications for the camera. So we'll set that going, and then Jacob, you have another one.
Dish made with a whole fish, orange preserves, corn, broccoli, gravy, whipped cream, chocolate sauce. So we'll see what the chocolate sauce, catfish with orange preserves and broccoli and gravy.
Oh, you should have said. You should have specified the fish.
I should have put a catfish in there, huh?
Okay, so
it's not giving us a whole fish though. I can see already. Let's look at your drink. It looks nice.
Yeah, look at this. It's almost done. 93%, and
yeah. Ooh, no, I did get a whole fish. That's fantastic.
Oh, okay. Okay, so here's the drink. That it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, I love the
cinnamon sticks hanging out of here.
How it's focused, yeah, and then like the little lime piece inside of it, pretty fantastic too.
Yeah. Okay, so here's your
I like the approach on the bottom left. It's all like, I don't know what to do with this. So I'm just gonna put fish, corn on the cob, broccoli, and whipped cream on chocolate sauce. Midjourney just gave up on that one, but the top right is pretty good, right? Like. It's got chocolate sauce drizzled across the fish.
Yeah, no, I think all of them did a fantastic job of putting those elements together. And that's the thing with this is they're constantly adding more to it and training it. And you can create these unique dishes or scenes or whatever and get some fascinating results. So
right,
enjoy
like
Midjourney.
It looks appetizing. Like I would eat that fish on the bottom right.
Okay.
You don't think?
No, I'm good without the fish and the chocolate sauce. Now, I might be tempted by your bacon mashed potatoes.
What about mole? Mole is a Mexican chocolate sauce. It could be, it could be really awesome. You don't know.
Yeah, it could be.
All right.
Could be. Well, if you have been tantalized by some of the food, your diet is now shot, or disgusted and your diet is now going strong, you can use Midjourney for food photography and create some fantastic results. So thank you for joining us today, and good luck in your explorations.